All right, as you guys saw, we're at BUC-EE'S today in Crossville, Tennessee. We're gonna go check it out, see what all the hype is. It's been open for a week. It's Nashville's first BUC-EE'S. Let's get into this video. If you're new to the channel, we do a lot of things around Tennessee, places to see and things to do. Might need one. All right, you guys, BUC-EE'S is about 30 minutes from a lot of waterfalls we've covered. So if you're out looking at the waterfalls, stop by BUC-EE'S, grab some lunch, go shopping. I know we're about to. Good. They got everything BUC-EE'S. Don't go to this place hungry. Bad idea. All right, I love coolers. I think I'm gonna get a new one. There it is, right there. $20. What a deal. Beachy. It's got a strap, all the good stuff. Zip up pocket. I think so. They got like duffel bag type. Place is sweet. 30 bucks. There's gotta be like 1,000 people in this place. It's crazy. A lot of stuff to do. Come hungry. Food looks good. And yeah, it's wild in here. I'll tell you what, that was wild. But I got myself a bag, new cooler, and got some food and stuff. So thanks for watching. Make sure to check out Buc-ee's in Crossville, Tennessee. And we'll link some other videos on the left and the right of the screen of things to do around Tennessee.